we're here at the Vengreso Social Selling with LinkedIn workshop, a 2-day workshop.
Yep.
And what's your name?
Randy Beiner.
Randy. And what's your role here at Conversica?
I'm Regional Vice President for Enterprise Sales.
Nice.
Yes.
All right. Well, you just went through 2 days full of training.
Yeah.
So how would you say this is going to help you in your job?
Well, it is quite literally the best sales training I've ever had. The reason why it's going to help me so much is it's really transformed myself and the team to the next level of selling, which is digital selling, social selling. I've learned so many things, probably too many to remember right now, but just knowing the 3x3 method right now, which will allow me to look at every single LinkedIn profile very differently and make it so much more personalized than I have in the past. And then all the other tricks you guys taught us were super valuable for the team as well.
Any quick things you heard from other people that they told you about the training? What were they saying?
Some of the words that were used to describe this was insightful, actionable, awesome, lit, So really, it provoked a lot of really positive emotions in our team. And I think that usually you have these trainings, and especially 2 days, it's a long time to spend in a room. But you guys kept it fun. You guys really put in a lot of effort, and it felt like learn something new literally every hour, which was fantastic.
And it looks like you're excited, even
Yes,
after being
yes,
through
I am.
all this. So
Yes.
Thank you, Randy, for sharing the story. We appreciate it.
Thank you there.